Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Realme X2 versus a Realme 6i smartphone. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So in this video, I'll be comparing in detail review about the display, which phone has a more brighter image and more saturated colors. So the reason why I am doing this video, because the Realme X2 has the AMOLED panel and whereas the Realme 6i has the IPS LCD panel. So definitely a few colors will vary between both of the panels, and in this video I'll be not editing at all, so no colors, no brightness, nothing will be changing during my uploading process. So you'll get the accurate results. Do comment below which display you felt good and why. So meanwhile, if you want to download this kind of good looking wallpapers for the notch smartphones or any kind of punch hole mobile phones, so always try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. So you can find wallpaper playlist, not only the wallpaper, you can find the playlist for the both the mobile phones. So there are plenty of useful videos, so try to check those videos. So links in description. So let's get started with the display comparison. So first thing you need to notice is that the Realme 6 X2 and Realme 6i, so they both have different panels and different screen size. The Realme X2 is of 6.4 inches, whereas the Realme 6i is of 6.5 inches. So there is only slight amount of difference between both the phones. So that doesn't mean they both are having same kind of height, but the Realme X2 is slightly small when you compare with the Realme 6i smartphone, you can see. So which gives you a single hand usage very much comfortable in the Realme X2 device. So let me try to open the video in both the smartphones. So right now you can see here friends, I am playing the same video in both the phones, Realme 6i and the Realme X2. So let me try to increase the full brightness. So do comment below which display you felt the best as well. So if you are one of the person who likes the AMOLED panels, then definitely always buy the AMOLED panels. So which will give you additional advantage of having always on display functionality as well with the AMOLED panels. So if you notice here, you can see the slightly greenery on the Realme X2 phone when you compare with the Realme 6i device. So overall, I am a huge fan of AMOLED panels, friends, definitely, which has plenty of other advantages with the AMOLED panels. So having good saturated and brighter image and good colors, and next is that having the always on display, and next is that even you can install third-party applications on the lock screen, which makes the LED notification in the Realme X2 mobile phone as well. So I've done all those videos as well, so try to check the links in description. So right now you can see the viewing angles of both the smartphones. How do they look here? But one thing I like about the Realme 6i is that you do get the left side punch hole display, so you won't get any interruption in the middle, especially here. So usually if you hold the mobile phone in this way, you can get the full screen experience just by hiding the punch hole here. So I prefer the punch hole to be either right or left, not in the middle portion. So you can see friends the display and the viewing angles of both the smartphones. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10. So this is the 10. And now let me decrease the lighting conditions. So this is another request where few of the users, they do ask me that try to decrease the lighting conditions and compare the display for some time. So I decided to even follow that method as well right now. As you can see, the studio lighting conditions is pretty low right now at the moment. So let's see in the low lighting conditions which phone will perform best. So let me try to decrease to the 5. So it's brightness 5 level and 0. Now both are at 0 brightness, you can see. So both are very good in terms of low light performance. So let me try to increase the brightness right now. So now you try to observe the difference between both the screens. So at this moment you can observe clearly. So overall, in terms of the display, both are having Realme X2 has a 60 Hz and Realme 6i has a 90 Hz refresh rate. So then definitely if you're a gamer and who likes to have the higher refresh rate, then Realme 6i will be the best advantage. So Realme X2 has the AMOLED panel, so that is one of the advantage of the Realme X2. So Realme 6i has the 90 Hz refresh rate, so there is an advantage of this Realme 6i. So you cannot get the combination of these two at this kind of price range. So this is a quick comparison between the display of both the smartphones. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So thank you all for watching this video. So make sure to subscribe and like this video. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.